Welcome to the AI Traffic Hijackr training video series. In this video we are going to show you how to use AI traffic tools in AI Traffic Hijackr. Go to the left menu and click on AI Backlink Finder and Maker. Here you can discover link building prospects, analyze authority, and generate AI-powered outreach emails. Just set up a link building campaign for your niche by adding all required information. Click on Start Campaign and your result is ready. Here you can see your all possible backlinks. Now click on AI Internal Linking Builder. Here you can enter your site URL to discover internal linking opportunities. Just add all details and your result will be ready. Click on Expired Domain Traffic Finder. Here you can discover high-authority expired domains in your niche with redirect opportunities. Just add required details and result is ready. You can see all expired domains details here. Now click on AI Content Distribution Engine. Here you can paste an article and generate platform-ready distribution content. Just paste your article and optionally add a target URL and tone. And your result will be ready. You can copy and post to your preferred platforms. Click on Web 2.0 Traffic Builder. Here you can generate content-only Web 2.0 posts with backlinks for manual posting. Just fill in all required details and your result will be ready. You can copy it. Click on AI Social Traffic Booster. Here you can generate viral social content tweets, Reels captions, Facebook posts, and hooks. Just provide a topic and optional target URL or tone. And your result will be ready. You can copy the result and use it for social media posts to get more engagement. Thanks for watching the video.